Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Robinhood risk management tools. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to understand risk management. Now, risk management refers to the process of identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential risk in your investment portfolio. Effective risk management can help you protect your investments and minimize losses, and of course achieve your financial goal. Now, step 2 is to access Robinhood's risk management tool, and you can do that by first opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device, and then in the bottom navigation bar you want to tap accounts and then select risk management from the account menu. Now, the step 3 is to use a stop loss order. So what you want to do here is to determine the price at which you want to sell a stock to limit potential losses. You could also set a stop loss percentage, so you just determine the percentage decline in stock price at which you want to sell, and then confirm the stop loss order. So just review and confirm the stop loss orders detail. Now, the fourth step is to use limit orders. You can set a limit price, just determine the price at which you want to buy or sell a stock. You can also set a limit order type, so you can choose from a market order, limit order, or stop limit order, and then confirm the limit order by reviewing and confirming that detail. Now, the fifth step is to monitor and adjust. So you can regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure that it aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. You also need to rebalance your portfolio, adjust stop loss order, or modify your limit orders as needed. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Robinhood's risk management tool. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.